Hi, I'm Milton Rendell and welcome to Real News Friday. Another big week, 1,198 sales, up about 32%. So there's that inconsistency we talked about. There was a bit of a dip, obviously, because of what recently has happened overseas and the other variables that have been out there in recent times. Now, in terms of the last week, the land sales were up 37%, unit sales were up about 19%, and home sales are up 36%. Stock levels at the moment 7,877, so we're still under that 8,000 mark. We'd like to see ourselves above that as terms as agents. Hawaii, more stock. It's obviously we've got a fair demand out there. For sellers at the moment, great opportunity. You've got limited opposition, and people have been starting to have bought properties because basic lack of choice. So that has driven some of the prices in various areas. Not all, but most. Getting back to rentals, very interesting time with the rentals. Big week, 734 properties rental, but again that could be an adjustment. Number of rentals available 2,364. That's up about 2%, but still down 14% on what it was a year ago. So we've still got this really interesting market. Our obviously stock for both sales and for rentals are much lower, so that causes challenges in itself. We're still seeing the effects of COVID and whether we'll see movement of population. We obviously have people in other countries starting to open up, and hopefully some tourism and a few other things start to flow. So our economy is going to reshape itself over the next probably 3 to 6 months, including the federal election, so it's going to be an interesting one. Just another quick thing to just touch on. We're currently recruiting. I am looking to expand our sales team. So if you have ever considered real estate as a career, I'd be more than happy to have a chat with you. Happy to set up a cadetship for one of the younger entrants. It is a bit of a journey, real estate, but the rewards can be quite good. Apart from the financial, also from a personal level, you meet a lot of great people. I'm very fortunate over all the time that I've been in real estate, which dates back to 1987. Made a lot of great friends, a lot of great people, and also seen some pretty interesting real estate and done some great transactions. And still today I enjoy doing it. So I'd like to probably transfer some of my experience to those people. Our business is, we're a very fortunate position. We've had a number of staff who worked with us for a long time, but we are going through a transition where we see a few of these guys in their twilight of their career, and they're looking to hand the baton on to the next adventurers, if you like, or next explorers, or salespeople, whatever you want to call them. Basics are, it'd be a good opportunity for someone to step into real estate and grow a career over the next few years. But if you are interested, like I said, certainly give me a call. You can email me on milton@realestateplus.com.au or contact me on my mobile 0411 752 812. I'd love to have a chat. It may take you time to sort of get your head around what real estate's all about. I do have a book which you can read. It'll give you a bit more of a background on what to do. But like I say, more than happy to have a chat with someone. I know it's not a decision you make overnight, but if you have been thinking about it as a career for some time, more than happy to have a chat. Now, just getting back to the market in itself, had mentioned it has been busy and it continues to look busy. I think we've still got a couple of years left in this market, but I do believe it's a great opportunity to build a career in this particular time. Talking to the guys in the hills, they are still getting great inquiry. Our commercial industrial divisions say that they're having some of the best inquiry they have for leasing for some time, and they are seeking stock in and around the Midland and Hills area. Speaking, like I said, to the Hills guys, they've been busy. To our team here in Midland, inquiring particularly to investment properties has been on an increase in the last couple of months, and investors seem to have re-emerged. I'd say that's got a lot to do with the rent returns that we're seeing, and that will continue for some time yet. But in the meantime, if you've got any other questions, happy to just contact offices. We're all happy to help you, or check out realestateplus.com.au. And all the best to Swan Districts when they start soon. Terrific.